Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can manage access and also devices on Netflix. So here, I've already opened my Netflix on browser, and then to manage the access and also device, just go to your account. Here at the top right corner, go to account and scroll down until you find this security and privacy sections, and here you'll find manage access and devices. Just click on that settings. So in the manage access and devices, you can see the most recently active devices on this account, on your Netflix account, and you can sign out if you find there are any unfamiliar devices, or you can also change your password for added security. So in here to sign out, just click on this sign out options, and then your uh the device that you choose will be signed out. So it's probably used when you find there are suspicious login into your Netflix account. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click on the thanks below. If you like the video, please click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you at the following tutorial. Thank you.